Hello everyone, welcome back to the plot. The other day I got rid of my nasturtium plants with all the caterpillars on and shredded it. There must have been a few escapees because everywhere I've been looking it's now got caterpillar damage, and I've picked them off before I started recording because they were sun up here. I don't like recording when people are up here, but it was me 60-day rabmi broccoli. See there, a bit more damage there. I've took them all off, but you can see where they've been munching on. Same with that one. And my bean as well. My beans have got a bit. That one seems to fare all right, but they've scrambled every other plant. And my one pak choi that seemed to have got a bit strimmed. And there's just pretty much the middle that's okay, but as you can see, they've pooed quite a bit in it. And on my last video, I'd put me cabbages in, but Jimmy from plot 41 said like the butterflies are still around, they'll still be laying eggs. So as soon as he said that, I went on Amazon, ordered myself some netting. Now I haven't got any hoops for it, but I have got an old polytunnel, like a tiny one. So I'm gonna get the bit of metal off that, the bars, and I'm gonna put them in the corner and put the netting over the top. And I'm hoping that will keep the butterflies off. Now I'm getting hit from seeds off that tree. There's branches falling off them trees and the seeds. So I'm finding me water bullets and everywhere there's just branches now on the floor. So yeah, I found one. So I'm thinking just popping these in the corners and then putting the netting over the top. Because I'll show you things have ate a little bit of them, but I think it's more slug damage than caterpillar. So you can see there is bits, but it's not as bad. I was also told to get a pipe and start watering like underneath the soil so it dries out the surface. I haven't got a pipe, I don't think, but I am just going to direct water a bit more instead of doing the whole beds, just to get the roots and hopefully the compost a bit dry for the slugs to go across. And then I have been clearing this patch here because I am going to put another bed in today. There's already cardboard down there, but I'm taking the weeds out, and I have been doing it, and it does seem to be a lot easier. You can see here it looked like there was loads, but they're easy coming up because the cardboard's just like weakening them down that much. So I'm going to do this area here and then get a bed down here. But first I think I want to do my broccoli. Hoping I can do this all right with the wind, because it's my luck, everything's going to get blown away. Yeah, I was thinking just a time being sticking these four in and putting the netting over the top and probably just weighing the sides down, just if there is any butterfly, and I'm hoping it might stop the slugs as much. Oh, this wind. This is another difficulty I'm going to come up with for winter, is the weather for recording. Right, so there. I'm going to try this net and I'm going to cut it a size. So this 3x3, it was from Amazon. It wasn't too expensive. It was £8 or something, or £7. But I'm going to attempt to put this over the top. And I'm hoping I don't totally fail miserably. Oh, wind, don't you dare. Oh, wrong day to do this. This is, right, oh crap, I should have thought bricks as well. Shit. No, that's a bit of wood. It's through to that. Right, stay. Trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Right. I think I'm going to trim it to size. Should I put more bars there? Will that help keep it off them? Because at the minute, it's not exactly... There we go. I think he's figuring it out. Jesus Christ. Right. There we go, after all that faff. I don't think it's too bad. I'm going to put a couple of more rocks down on the ground to keep it a bit more secure and doesn't blow off. But I'm hoping it does the job, and I'm hoping it deters the slugs a tiny bit. But we'll see about that. Yeah, that's the first job done. Done terribly, but still done it. Right, next. Now, Chris has just been up there and saying about putting netting on these, but I don't think I'll be able to. I want to get a hoop for beds like these. Right, next one. The bed. Now, normally, I know people don't say about no dig, just put the cardboard down, but this plot is full of rubbish. Like all a video, I found a tyre, Play-Doh, and a couple other things under the ground in the, well, one of these ones anyways. I don't remember which bed it was, but I'm going to take all this cardboard up and then dig under it for the length I want to do, just to make sure there's nothing there and help get some of the weeds out. And then I'll put the cardboard back down and then the compost over the top, so we'll do that now. You know, when you start something, you have to start it, but you have to continue it on. I don't know what the hell it is, but I mean, it's oh, it's gonna take some work. 1 hour later from starting that bed. Oh, yeah. Feels like I've done nothing. I have cleared that, if you remember. I cleared all that. And that was what was inside of it. So, that's some kind of roof or something. There was just tiles and glass upon glass, silicone tubes. That's all weeds from around it. But I was struggling to find rubble before for that netting. Oh, got most of it in there now. Right, so I've made it. It looks longer than the other bed, but it's not. I'm going to put it the same where the cardboard is. So I'm going to whack that cardboard down. Whack the cardboard down. I've got some compost. I think I've got about 5 bags of compost so I can pop down. So I'm going to whack this old cardboard on, get that covered. Right, so I think it's not too bad what I've done. It's about 2 inches deep, maybe a little bit more. But you're meant to do that for keeping the weeds down the cardboard, and then that it should. I will get rid of them nettles because I don't want them seeding in that bed. I think it looks all right. It's probably going to be from the onions, I think, when it's done. Right, and now the last job of the day, a little relaxing one after that bed, and it's just like killed us. I'm going to do some not carrots, I want to do some spring onion and some more pak choi since only one of them survived. Yeah, I'm just going to use the bed. I've got my spring onion in already. And same with the salad. I'm going to put the pak choi in with the pak choi that I've got. And hopefully that will take off. Let's get that done. From the last time I'd done the spring onion, there's only a couple of them seems to have worked. I think it was them nasturtiums that just totally took over. I'm just going to make a nice drill. Pop these in. Probably going to do 2 rows just to make sure, because the last time I was at says not many have germinated and some carrots have, but I think I've got 6 carrots. Should have picked some more up. Right. But yeah, I don't think nasturtiums are on the list for next year. But how much they took over, and I don't know if it's their fault about the caterpillars as well. I'm going to put some more here, because this is where some are already. Oh God, I'm falling in. Just hope that these take off this time. Right, spring onion done. Next, packed seed packets today, and this was really the only couple I could do was these pak choi and spring onions. The rest of them's going to be January. Apart from me garlic and onions, I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I think after this sowing, this is pretty much going to be. Everything else is going to be structures. So water. So I'm probably going to be doing more beds. I think. Just need to get the order in for the compost. There we go. I would hope they take off. It's nice after you've been rushed out doing that bed, putting your back out just to have a nice chill, just putting the seeds in. The thing I'm happiest about the most is these leeks. They've just plodded on. I haven't done them too deep. I literally just put them in together, see what would happen. I mean, they're getting some size on them. I don't know if they'll be edible for us as leeks are big enough. There's a couple of thicker ones. They seem really healthy. I can't see there's no rust on them. They're not going to bolt yet. So I'm really pleased with them. I'm hoping I can harvest them next month. Just as I'm walking around there, I can see. Has that got a hole in, or is it? Ah, it's just fallen off. There we go. You get back down there. It seems to be holding. Right, I nearly forgot I need to water them in. And that's my last job of today. Soon, but the surface is a bit dry, so give them a water. Same with these spring onion. So I'm not sure why they didn't. Not as many have germinated with that. got a few that's turning pink. You know which ones they are and do them again next year. I did buy some more on that massive seed buy that I bought. But yeah, I think I'll try them again next year. See what it tastes like as well. But yeah, I'm happy with that day's work. Every Tuesday I'm off. So I think I'm going to try and record a video every Tuesday up here. It won't be out every Tuesday, but that's probably when I'm going to do my main recording, and then whenever I manage to get time to edit it and things like that and upload it and things. So I'm going to try for once a week, probably the other weekend, to get a video out. Still trying to work out on length of videos as well, as this totally varies from 8 minutes all the way up to 20, 30 minutes. If anyone has a preference of what they like, how long a video they do like, let us know in the comments. And then I can try and aim for that. I don't want it to be a long-winded one or too short, or how do you like it. Anyways, that's it for me today. I'm a bit tired and sore off digging, but I'm happy with that bed. So I shall see you in the next video.